Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. And today I am welcoming you all to another exciting episode of Warli Art. Today I am going to teach you how to draw trees or plants in Warli Art. So let's get started. First of all, draw a circle like this and now draw the stem. This is the stem. Now draw the branches. And on these branches again we'll draw circular like shape, means oval shape. Okay, now start drawing the petals or leaves. These are the leaves. This is an Indian traditional art. We can do it on fabric, on wooden panels or anything we want, but for that you have to learn the basic drawings of how to draw the figures and things in Warli art. So these video tutorials are about this only. Okay, wow, we drew this around all the ovals. Okay, let's draw another plant. For that, we will draw the stem first of all. Okay, now let's draw the branches. Okay, we'll draw the petals around all the branches like this. These are looking so beautiful, isn't it? Okay. These plants or trees look so beautiful. You know, these kind of drawings and arts releases the stress also, engages the kids, and it's a best way to keep them away from screen. So I recommend you all to try these kind of art activities with your kids. It will keep them engaged and make them more creative. As all of you know, that screen is so much harmful for kids nowadays. Screen is also leading to the autism in kids, so we should protect our kids from screen and engage them in these kind of activities. It's almost done. Okay, it's done. So friends, our Warli art plant drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.